Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Wednesday the 6th of May. We're going to look at cable now. Cable which has broken down on a near-term basis below that pivot I've been talking about between 23.85, 24.05. On the daily chart it shows on just shows it as the 24.05 level, but you can see here with the sort of consolidation candle yesterday, that level was holding up, but now that's sort of started to move again to the downside, and that's surely going to start to weigh on these momentum indicators. That RSI needs to essentially hold up, I think, around the sort of 40 area, 45, and I think how that 45. And I think how that sort of develops in the coming days will be interesting, because now we're back underneath the pivot at 24.05. That sort of sends you towards the bottom of the range again. You've got 22.45 being the reaction low that we saw late April, but 21.60 being this key low from earlier April. You can see here through the hourly chart that we can see that there is a sort of a downside break of this pivot band, 23.85, and that now becomes your basis of resistance initially overhead, 23.85 to 24.05. Momentum looks increasingly negatively configured, doesn't it, with the RSI failing at 60, going under 30, MACD lines failing at neutral, falling away. It sort of looks primed, I think, for the next support 23 figure. Certainly if it fails at 23.85 to 24.05 again, and rolls over, then you'll be sort of opening up certainly the weakness again, and then moving to the downside, especially with these moving averages all sort of crossing lower in bearish sequence. That doesn't ever really look great, especially if also the overhead supply is a barrier to the recovery once more. So some key moments for cable. Needs to quickly recover above 24.05, otherwise it looks increasingly corrective back towards 23 to 22.45. Resistance overhead sort of builds at 24.50 and then 25 area, 24.85 and then 25.20. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, and you can go to our website where you can sign up for our webinars.